Hello friends, welcome to English Finders. Today we are going to discuss the basic steps of learning the English language. Before starting our class, I want to say something about some online instructors and teachers, especially from our subcontinent. I noticed many online instructors or teachers teach English through translation. That means they teach English from their mother tongue to English. I think this is not a good way to develop English proficiency. But if it works for you, then you can try it out. Whatever, let us see how we can develop our English proficiency. Today we will discuss the 10 basic steps of learning the English language. So let us see the first steps. The first step is English vocabulary. Vocabulary is the part and parcel of learning any second language. If we want to develop our English skills, we need to learn English vocabulary more and more. Number 2. Basic English grammar. A single grammar mistake can destroy the whole meaning of a sentence. We need to learn the basic English grammar in order to develop our English skills. Number 3. English movies and TV series. Watching English movies and TV series is a good way to develop our English skills. We have to watch English movies with subtitles and try to understand the meaning and pronunciation. Number 4. Reading skills. Without improving reading skills, it will be very difficult for us to develop English skills. Try to read English newspaper, magazine, online article, etc. Don't read anything blindly. We need to find new words and try to find the meaning of those words. Number 5. Writing skills. Writing skills is another core part of gaining English proficiency. We need to practice freehand writing more and more. This is how we can develop our improve our English skills. Number 6. Listening skills. Listening skills is also important for us. When you listen to any speech in English, especially from the native speaker, try to understand how he or she pronounced English words. Number 7. Speaking skills. Suppose you are able to write a sentence in English, but when you join in a conversation, you cannot speak the sentence. Does it make sense? That's why we need to develop our speaking skills for learning the English language. Number 8. English newspaper. Reading English newspaper will help us to develop our English proficiency as well as English mental and intellectual discipline. First time it will be difficult to understand every sentence, but never give up. Continuously read and memorize the new words with meanings. Number 9. Dictionary. A dictionary is very useful when you learn a second language. We can use online dictionary like Oxford or Merriam-Webster to find any meaning of any word. This will help us to increase our vocabulary. Number 10. Think in English. We have a tendency to translate everything from our mother tongue to English. It's a bad practice to develop English proficiency. We need to think in English and create an English environment. This is how we can develop our English skills. That's it for today, but don't worry, we will discuss all the topics elaborately and step by step. So please stay with us and share this video to our friends so that they can also join with us. So thank you.